We went to Hong Kong recently and stayed at this nice hotel accommodation. We decided to stay at Wan Chai area and book at Novotel Century Hong Kong. Their lobby was nice and welcoming. We stayed at room 1408 for one bedroom suite. The living room has a nice view looking to the harbor. Merong TV, dehumidifier, and at the nook it's complete with coffee machine, tea, and water. Kompleto na rin sa gamit with ref. And now for the bedroom, nice and comfortable yung queen size bed. The mattress and the pillows are nice. Merong malaking desk with charging port and nice view. For the bathroom, meron silang walk-in closet with a glass partition ng bathroom. The sink is complete with toiletries, pati yung shower niya and bathtub kompleto rin with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Sa walk-in closet, nandyan yung bathrobe, ang plancha and extra pillows. Nandyan na rin ang safety deposit box. For amenities naman, may swimming pool, lounge area, and a complete gym for your workout. Since we stayed at the suite, you can access their premium club lounge for merienda and cocktails night. The hotel is a few minutes away from MRT and Causeway Bay. Kaya diretso shopping. Merong malapit na bus stop diretso to airport. You can search this hotel at Agoda. And if you want more discount, use my code AGODAGARSTAY.